of human character, a seasoned scholar and the navigator of flagship of knowledge to present the school's annual report and welcome the gathering. So please.
Good evening to one and all present here. Really it is a very auspicious occasion. One is we are celebrating here the great patriarch saint of India, Swami Vivekananda's Jayanti. It is being celebrated as National Youth Day in our country has been declared by the Government of India. Second, as the annual day of our Vivekananda Kendra Vidyas all over India, wherever we have our Vidyas, wherever the Vivekananda Kendra runs, the schools, the 12th January is being observed as annual day. So on this auspicious occasion, it is my proud privilege to welcome today's our honorable chief guest, Swamiji Punit Chaitanya Maharaj, Acharya Chinmaya Mission, Port Blair. In real spirit, he is a true follower of Swami Vivekananda. He has been inspired by Swami Vivekananda. He was with Vivekananda Kendra directly, was associated later to develop his advanced Vedantic studies. He joined the Chinmaya Mission and he is very well with us even today as a guiding light in Andamans. So on behalf of the Vidyalaya and the school family committee, I welcome you. And our guest of honor, Shri D. Bandas ji. He is the General Secretary of Vivekananda Kendra Headquarters Kanyakumari. He is already a General Secretary. General Secretary means he is the executive head for all the activities which Vivekananda Kendra is venturing into. He is the executive head. What is called in Vivekananda Kendra, we say the people who are always being a part of Kendra activities, like most of you. An inspiring source, a source of inspiration. Present here again. As the customary and as it was announced, I have to present the annual report, a brief report. It is my proud privilege to present the annual report of the year 2010-2011 before you all. Vivekananda Kendra is a spiritually oriented service mission which has its headquarters at Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu, founded by Manya Eknath Ji Ranade. Keeping the objective, man-making and nation building in mind, Vivekananda Kendra has established Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalayas in different parts of the country. Among the total 64 Vidyalayas are run by Vivekananda Kendra in Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Karnataka trophy by the Department of Education. In 2009-2010, the class 12 CBSE examinations, Kumari Nitya Nair stood first in these islands and Rohini R. Nair stood 8th in these islands out of the first 10 top rankers of these islands. 2 positions were occupied by our students. Apart from these, many students got laurels of Vidyalaya in many other areas too. Kumar Shubham Tyagi, who is accompanying here of today's program, represented these islands in the national level science seminar held at the Vishweshwaraya Industrial and Technology Museum, Bangalore. Nimisha Manikutan, A. Anjana, A. B. Anuja. They took part in the Andaman Nicobar Cultural Day on 16th November 2010 held at the India International Trade Fair, New Delhi. Was selected for the 37th Jawaharlal Nehru National Science Exhibition conducted by NCRT held at Jaipur. Is mainly because of the cooperation.
रानी ने लगातार 40 वर्ष तक घोड़े के पीठ पर बैठकर सैकड़ों युद्ध की, उत्तर से दक्षिण तक विदेशी शक्ति की जड़ें गिरा दी। उन्होंने हमेशा चतुराई का उत्तर चतुराई से और बहादुरी का उत्तर बहादुरी से दिया। उनकी गिनती इतिहास के सर्वश्रेष्ठ महाराजाओं में की जाती है। तो लीजिए प्रस्तुत करते हैं छत्रपति शिवाजी पर एक रंगारंग नृत्य।
The young dancers really held everyone captive. An essay on creativity. Firework of rapid movements. Awesome.
Parama
विवेकानंद आने के पहले सोच रहा था कि मैं किस विषय के ऊपर विवेकानंद का व्यक्ति है कि जिंदगी में हर साल आता हूँ तो क्या मैं विचार रखूंगा। और सौभाग्य से मेरे बोलने के पहले बच्चों ने जो कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत किया और जो विषय वस्तु उन्होंने मुझे दी, मुझे लगता है कि मेरा बोलना ज्यादा सरल हो गया। अभी बच्चों ने एक गीत गाया, आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखा, आप कहानी सुनाने के लिए। यदि ये गीत हम आज गाएंगे, आज की तारीख में यदि ये कहें कि हम अपने बच्चों को हिंदुस्तान की कहानी सुनाना चाहते हैं, हमने नाम लिया सुभाष चंद्र बोस का, छत्रपति शिवाजी, महाराणा प्रताप, स्वामी विवेकानंद। आज यदि ये गीत लिखा जाएगा तो हमने विचार करना चाहिए कि हम क्या नाम उसमें शामिल कर सकते हैं। हम इतने सालों से ये गीत गा रहे हैं, लेकिन आजादी के बाद में हम किस नाम को शामिल करेंगे। मुझे लगा कि बहुत अच्छा विषय है ये। स्वामी विवेकानंद जी ने 1893 में शिकागो में जो भाषण दिया और उसके बाद में जो उन्होंने संदेश दिया, उन्होंने कहा कि मैं एक ऐसे भारत की रचना करना चाहता हूँ, एक ऐसे भारत को बदलना चाहता हूँ, एक ऐसे भारत का निर्माण करना चाहता हूँ जो भारत सामाजिक समरसता से परिपूर्ण होगा, जीने का अधिकार होगा। हमें विचार करना चाहिए कि आजादी की बात हम ऐसे भारत का निर्माण कर पाएंगे। बात सही है। स्वामी विवेकानंद जी जिस प्रकार के भारत के निर्माण की कल्पना उन्होंने की, जिस प्रकार के विचारों को हमारे सामने रखा, क्या हम उस प्रकार के भारत को आज जानते हैं। बहुत ज्यादा विस्तार में जाने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, केवल हिंदुस्तान की बात नहीं, सारी दुनिया मिथ्याचार से उच्चते। अनफॉर्चुनेटली कभी कभी हम अपने जीवन में तो स्वामी विवेकानंद जी का जो विचार है वो हमारे अपने जीवन में उतारते हैं। इसमें बहुत अच्छी बात कही कि विवेकानंद जी का विचार शिकागो के जो भाषण में जो बहुत अच्छी बात कही, जैसे आज आप देखते हैं समाज में, इस देश में सर्वदेव नमस्कारम में ईश्वरपति गच्छति, उसी प्रकार जितने भी दुनिया के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्राइम, फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू पॉल्यूशन, फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एटमॉस्फेयर, सब अच्छा है, लेकिन बड़े शहरों में तो इसके लिए हमारे बच्चों को अच्छे संस्कार मिले, हमारा बच्चा अच्छी आदतें सीखे। देखो ये बचपन में ही हो सकता है।
Pallavaram, Chennai, to present a lecture. She was here with a group of children, and the next one is we Anisha. And these children had presented a topic on earthworm as soil indicator. Yes, Anisha is waiting. 11th B, Anisha, a team member of this group. It was selected the best, and the third, Pratima Devi. There were 5 participants in one team, and theirs was adjudged the best. T. Lavanya Kuresh, Prita Mistry. Now let me move further to the 37th Jawaharlal Nehru National Science Exhibition conducted by NCRT. The boy who led the team from these islands was Advait R. Pillai of 10th C. Audience थोड़ा कंजूसी कर रही है. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Thank you. Yes, and the second boy, Neeraj of 10th C, is a team member. They had the topic device control with PC with regulated car pack. And the third, Vignesh Vinod. Yes, and Advait had presented it in Podar School, Jaipur, Rajasthan. He is Vignesh Vinod here. Mohan Fair, the last team member. I move on to the National Science Seminar. And Shubham Tyagi represented these islands. And he presented his lecture at Vishveshwaraya Industrial and Technological Museum, Bengaluru. I move on to the 56th SGFI School Games National Chess Championship. Kakinada, Abhishek Roy. Abhishek Roy went for his badminton tournament to Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh. Now I move on to the Andaman Nicobar Cultural Day on 16th November 2010. Nimisha Manikutan and her group. My God, there she is. The secret is revealed, I believe. She's there for the next show. Next is A. Anjana of 6th B. They had gone for the India International Trade Fair, IITF, New Delhi. And A.B. Anuja. Thank you so much, Swamiji. I'm sure your words given to this audience is really very inspiring and the students are very thankful to you. Thank you, Swamiji.
खूनी हस्ताक्षर वीको वह खून कहो किस मतलब का
जिसमें उबाल का नाम नहीं,
वह खून कहो किस मतलब का
जो आ सके देश के काम नहीं,
वह खून कहो किस मतलब का
जिसमें जीवन न रवानी है,
जो परवश होकर बहता है
वह खून नहीं है पानी है। नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस had called upon his countrymen to come forward and fight for the nation's independence. We quote,
वह आगे आए जिसकी रग में खून भारतीय बहता है
वह आगे आए जो खुद को हिंदुस्तानी कहता है,